Okay, so if you're in Ontario and you are looking to get an enclosed mobility scooter, we carry the Ecolo Connect, which is from Ecolo. They have been in business since 2007. They are based out of Quebec, and these are actually certified mobility scooters. They come with a federal medical certificate. So anything I say to my customers when they're here is what I'm going to say to you on YouTube or wherever you're watching this, is if you're comparing the Nova from Easy Rides, I'm going to tell you why our unit, the Connect, is a better purchase. When you have the retailer that is also the importer, they're two very different jobs, basically. Our suppliers have to be able to facilitate our needs and our customers' needs for any warranties and parts and things like this. When something is new like that, it hasn't really gone through a lot of testing. That aside, they are the exact same size. This one is going to be about $2,000 more. They're charging taxes on it. So the one with the steering wheel, let's see if it has AC, is $10,500 plus tax. The Ecolo Connect with AC is $89.95. There's no HST on there. So price point is your first reason to go with the Connect. It's actually a certified enclosed mobility scooter is number 2. Number 3, it's coming from an importer that has been in business since 2007. Number 4, they are a full service, huge warehouse that supplies all over Canada. So bigger is better. It's like comparing Emo to Canis Motors, for example. They bring in their own bikes as well. You've got a small store like Canis that imports, or you've got a large, properly run company like Emo. Same kind of thing. That is why, because I thought maybe this one is a little bit bigger, but it's not. I also don't really like some of the fit and finish on it. It's got too many bumps. But it is the same size. I haven't gone through the specs a lot because, quite frankly, there aren't a lot of specs to see on here. Okay, motor, that's the same. Hydraulic disc brake, sure. Features, description. Yeah, and there's no AC. So that's reason number 5, 6, and 7. You need AC. So you're going to pay less. You're going to pay no taxes. You're going to get AC and your choice of steering wheel and handlebars. So Ecolo Connect all the way, which is why we have it. We have taken our time. If you notice, these came out earlier this year. I did not bring them in. Then it was time to bring them in. We looked at it, test drove it. I had Darren go all through it, and it qualified. It exceeded our expectations of fit and finish. And so we're like, yeah, we're going to promote this because it meets our expectations, and we have very high expectations because we don't want problems. We only want happy customers, ever. I never want to sell something that a customer is disappointed in. So we've taken our time, and I am rambling now. So thanks for watching.